Hello everyone, welcome back. In the previous video, we configured the document solution to dynamically select the correct template using the formula field. In this video, we'll automate the document generation process using Salesforce Flow. If you haven't watched Part 1 and Part 2 yet, make sure to check them out before continuing with this tutorial. So, let's get started. First, go to Setup. In the Quick Find box, search for Flows and click on Flows under Process Automation. Now click on New Flow. Now select Triggered Automations and Record Triggered Flow. Next, select the Opportunity object. Configure the flow to run when a record is updated. Under Condition Requirements, select All conditions are met. Now add a condition where delivery status is changed equals true. This means that whenever the delivery status field is updated, the flow will trigger automatically. Next, under Optimize the Flow for, select Actions and Related Records and select Freeform. Now drag an action element onto the canvas. Search for the Docs Made Easy action and select the appropriate document generation action. Next, enable the Document Solution ID and Record ID fields. Enter your Document Solution ID and set the Record ID as the Opportunity Record ID. This allows Docs Made Easy to identify which solution to execute and which record to generate the document for. Click Done. Now connect the Start element to the Action element. Once everything is connected properly, click Save. Enter a flow label and save the flow. Finally, click Activate to make the flow live. Now let's test the automation. Open an opportunity record and update the stage to prospecting. Click Save. You'll notice that the Multiple Template ID field automatically updates with the Contract Template ID based on the formula we created earlier. Now update the Delivery Status field and click Save. As soon as the record is saved, the flow runs automatically and generates the contract document. You can find the generated document in the Notes and Attachments section of the Opportunity record. Next, change the Opportunity stage to Closed Won and save the record. Now update the Delivery Status field again and click Save. This time, the formula returns the Invoice Template ID. The flow automatically generates the invoice document and saves it to the Notes and Attachments section. Now let's test the final scenario. Update the Opportunity stage to Closed Lost and save the record. You'll see that the Multiple Template ID field now displays the Proposal Template ID. Once again, update the Delivery Status field and click Save. The flow triggers automatically and generates the proposal document. Navigate to the Notes and Attachments section to view the generated document. And that's it. Using a formula field together with Docs Made Easy and Salesforce Flow, you can dynamically generate different documents from a single document solution based on your business logic without creating multiple automations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.